Hi everyone, my name is Jake Jackson. I'm a senior PM here at Workiva. Today I'm going to demonstrate Workiva Sync, our new add-in for Microsoft Excel that enables users to sync data between Excel and the Workiva platform. Okay, let's get started. So Workiva Sync replaces Wdesk Sync, which is a legacy Excel Sync add-in that we released back when we launched spreadsheets many years ago. Over time, that app has become outdated, and due to gap reasons, we have decided to deprecate our usage of the Wdesk Sync app later this summer. Workiva Sync replaces Wdesk Sync. It is an entirely separate installation that communicates and transfers data via one-way public API calls from the Office API into Workiva's public API. That's how we write data to the Workiva platform. Users today can install Workiva Sync. This is what they see when they do. It says Workiva Sync coming soon. And then when we turn Workiva Sync on behind the scenes, any customer will be able to log into Workiva Sync once they have it installed. We are going to roll Workiva Sync out to non-single sign-on users first. That will happen by the end of April 2023, and then about a month later we'll add SSO support, and then all of our SSO users will be able to start using Workiva Sync at that time. Now, let's jump into what it looks like when you log into Workiva Sync. Okay, once our customers have the Workiva Sync app installed and we have chosen to activate their workspace so that they can use Workiva Sync, this is the screen that our customers will see when they open up Microsoft Excel and open the Workiva Sync panel. On the right, you see that it's loading Workiva Sync, and it's asking our users to choose to get started by choosing an environment. Typically, this means our users will choose US Prod, Prod EU, Prod APAC. Today I'm going to demonstrate syncing to WK Dev, so I'm going to choose Dev, and then I'll hit Next. I'm then prompted in this modal to select a workspace, log in with SSO. I've already done that, so I just skipped right over that. It then does prompt me to select a workspace. On WK Dev there are many with very creative names, so I will choose the Workiva default workspace and then click Next. This logs me into the Workiva Sync panel experience. The panel is a landing page. If I want to create a sync, the easiest way to get started is to ignore all of this stuff, which is all useful if you need it, but really what you need is all in this Start a Sync button, so we're going to press that. This opens up the modal window. Just like Wdesk Sync, we wanted our users to have a familiar experience, however, a more modern and simplified one. So we load all of the Workiva Sync experience into this modal. Here you can choose where you want to sync to. You can either sync to an existing spreadsheet or sync to a new spreadsheet. If I choose an existing spreadsheet, I can select which spreadsheet I want to sync into. It will load the list of all of my recent spreadsheets in this workspace, Workiva default. Here you see the list. Today though, I'm going to show that we can create a new spreadsheet. I'll call it Demo Workiva Sync Spreadsheet. And here you can see it automatically detected the names of my Excel sheets listed down below and is going to create Workiva destination sheets and title them the exact same as the Excel sheets are titled. Now, if I were to have chosen an existing spreadsheet, I would be able to choose which sheet I want these to be mapped to, or I can choose to have it mapped to a new sheet. I get a lot of choice. It does not have to be a perfect one-to-one match. I do have the option to include formulas if I want to. Like Wdesk Sync, if I choose the box to include formulas in my sync, it will sync in that formula. However, unlike Wdesk Sync, Workiva Sync today will sync in the whole formula even if we don't support it on the Workiva side, which means the formula will evaluate to an error after the sync. This won't always be the case though. In a couple of weeks we're going to update include formulas so that it will flatten any unsupported formulas to just syncing in the value and only sync in supported formulas. So that is coming within a few weeks. Alright, now that I got all of this set up, I'm going to go ahead and hit sync. So what's happening behind the scenes is Workiva Sync, the Workiva platform, is communicating with the Office API saying package up these sheets, these data ranges on these sheets. We don't even have access to the data in that data payload. That data payload is now being written in a one-way encrypted data push into our Platform v1 API. And as that is created, it should finish up here any second, and there it goes. And so now I'll switch over here and I'll switch from all files here. There you go. Demo Workiva Sync spreadsheet just appeared. I'll go ahead and click that. And you can see here it created my new spreadsheet from the sync, named the sheet titles the exact same, and was a successful sync. Couple of quick things to note. Just like with Wdesk Sync, when you perform a sync with Workiva Sync, you cannot undo that sync after that data has been written into the spreadsheet. Additionally, syncing with Workiva Sync will not update any of your source links. It won't publish your source links. It will write data over them, but you still have to go in and hit publish to distribute that data outside of your link. And then lastly, it will update history. It doesn't say that it's from a sync, but it does say that I made the edit. We have lots more planned for Workiva Sync in the future. If you need support of any kind at the moment, please reach out to us at ATE Wdesk Sync, soon to be rebranded Workiva Sync. Thanks everyone. Have a good day.